This is an unfinished artwork and I'm about to add details to it in such a simple way that anyone can do. However, this wasn't always the case. For the past few years I've made details the hard way. I manually modeled stars and built constellations which were painful to adjust. I felt limited, I got tired of it, and I wished for a tool that would make my life easier. So I spent the past few months developing intuitive tools to make adding details to artworks effortless. And today I'm excited to introduce CelesTools. With these tools, you can draw new constellations in seconds and change the stars and the particles in a few clicks. You can also add stardust, rainbow, pearls, and halo to make your artworks more magical. Get it on Blender Market or Gumroad so you can focus on creativity instead of the technical things. Let's take a look how these tools can save you time by adding details to this artwork. I can just drag and drop a constellation, and if I go to edit mode, I can delete this and draw a new one. Then adjust the points till I'm happy with it. Let's make the dashes thicker, and I can adjust the size of the instances as well. Alright, let's duplicate it. This time I'm gonna use the curve pen tool, because it's more accurate. After some tweaking, here I can choose from different instance types. So you can see how easy it is to add constellations with this tool. And thanks to all the settings, all kinds of constellations can be made. I wish I made this sooner, because now it's actually fun to add these and not a painful process. Next step is to add particles inside the liquid. You can do that with the particle fill tool. Drag and drop it or add it from the modifiers. And you have particles. Let's drag this here so it's in the right order. Lower the density, change the colors quickly, adjust the size and the offset, and it's done. They have a looping animation. Let's add the stars to make this scene complete. If I go to edit mode, I can move them and duplicate them. I can change the points to 5 and I can tweak the inner and outer radius, the bevel and the random size. I can change the colors as well. They are animated, but you can make them static too. It doesn't stop there, you can make different stars in just a few clicks. So with CelesTools you can turn an empty scene to a complete one in a few minutes. Get it 30% off by subscribing to my newsletter. If you'd like to see a full walkthrough of each tool, check out this video.